in tomato sandwiches ever. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get started. Today's recipe is enough to feed 4. We're gonna be making 4 sandwiches. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We've got a stick of butter. We've got a loaf of bread. I prefer to use the Nature's Own perfectly crafted thick sliced white. We've got Munster cheese for the base of the bread. Also have 8 eggs here. We've got a Fiesta blend, 2 cups of cheese, and 2 tomatoes. Let's get them eggs a-crackin'. After the eggs are cracked, it's time to whip them and whip them good. With the eggs whipped and ready, it's time to spread the butter on the bread. Now it's time to cut the tomatoes. You should aim for your slices to be about 1/4 inch thick. Time for butter in the pan. Set the burner on medium-low heat. When scrambling eggs, I fold them into the center, which makes them nice, light, and fluffy. Did somebody say cheese? Even if you didn't, I know that's what you're thinking. All the ingredients prepped. Time to grill some cheese. And now look at that. Delicious. Can you almost taste it through the screen? I know you can. Eat the food, Tina.